What's going on, guys, and welcome to another episode of Amazing A-Frames. And this week is going to be amazing. That's 100% for sure, because we got a lot of great hats, and it's going more into a colorway of the season, like spring, summertime. So we got a lot of chrome domes this week. We got some very special NHL hats, and we also got a second part of our pack with the peach UVs that I would like to show off today. And without further ado, I have all the hats here in front of me. Let's go into this and start with some chrome domes. And there are two kinds of chrome domes this week, and all of them have like chrome and black visors, so black button visors, right? And I would like to show off these first, and the first one is this beautiful Los Angeles Dodgers, and look at the embroidery is fantastic. We got this Los Angeles script in the front, and I love to work with this. It's absolutely amazing. And then you got the LA with the roses on the side. You got a black snap on the back, and then, as I already said, black visor button and chrome dome, gray UV, and black guts. And then look at these. I mean, this is the first time that we are using that front logo on an A-frame with this beautiful World Series side patch added with gold, black and white. This looks amazing, right? And this bony script, it's really, really good. Can you see that? And the details are fantastic. Also here, we got a black snap, we got Kelly Green UV, we got black guts, the New York Yankees with the World Series 49 side patch. Then, if you add gold to this chrome, it always looks amazing. And here we go. This is the Boston Red Sox. Oh yes. A lot of you guys were asking if we can make more Red Sox A-frames, and there we go. Black Boston B in the front with the golden outline, and then you got the World Series 07 side patch. And then you got this black snap on the back. Beautiful hat, black and chrome also on this one. And the next one is very special. It's a brand new logo, Sweet Home Chicago from the Cubbies. And look at this beautiful hat. I mean, come on. This is absolutely different, right? It looks crazy. It looks really, really crazy. Then you got the Sweet Home Chicago on the side. Also here, gray UV and a black snap on the back. So this was the first part of the chrome domes, right? Before we go ahead, I would like to show off two super nice NHL hats. The first one is a super clean one. So we got the Ottawa Senators, and a lot of you guys were asking for more Senators A-frame hats. And I know a lot of you guys are already asking for Kraken A-frames, and they're already in the making. So just that you know, All-Star Game 2012 Ottawa, all black, super clean one, black snap on the back, gray UV, black guts, the Ottawa Senators with this fantastic embroidery and the metallic gold, super shiny. Then we have another NHL beauty, and this is like a takedown of a hat that we made as a 5950, red UV, black guts. Oh, look at this. This came out absolutely crazy, right? I mean, come on. Then you got the 10th anniversary on the side, a mighty decade, beautiful embroidery, black, red, metallic beauty, black UV, red UV, sorry, black guts, black snap on the back. And now, another beautiful hat. And this is like an update on the Chicago Cubs logo. And this is crazy. So watch this. It's a little bit bigger. We have an additional outline around that, and this came out fantastic. With the 1990 side patch, All-Star Game, I mean, come on, you cannot go wrong with that. Metallic pewter, metallic silver, an absolute stunner, this hat. It's amazing. It looks so crazy. And if you go out in the sun, you won't believe how shiny this beauty is. And then you have a black snap on the back, gray UV, black guts, the Chicago Cubs. Now, Coming to the second part of our Peach UV pack, right? So we already dropped the first pack. This is now the second pack, and it's 3 more hats. So you got the Chicago White Sox with the Comiskey Park side patch. Beautiful blue, and then you got this Peach UV. Then you also get here the Chicago Cubs with the All-Star Game 1990 side patch. Peach UV. And last but not least, this is one of my favorites from that pack. This is me saying this as a Mets fan. The New York Yankees. With the script, it goes so well together. And then you have this 100th anniversary Yankee Stadium side patch. Peach UV. Beautiful hat, right? Beautiful, beautiful hat. And these are dropping by the end of the week. And a lot of you guys were asking me, hey Pat, can you make another pack with pink UVs? And I was thinking about something that we never did before, and we decided to make a chrome dome with pink UVs and black visor buttons, and they came out absolutely amazing. So look at this. What we did is like pink UV, black guts, chrome dome, black visor button, and everything which is on the chrome dome is whited out, and this looks amazing. It looks like snow. It's crazy. It pops off really, really good. So this is the first one with the Coliseum side patch from the Oakland Athletics. Second one, the LA Dodgers with the World Series 24 side patch. And look how crazy this looks. It looks like stamped in snow, right? Beautiful. And then you got this pink UV, and you got a black snap on the back. And last but not least, the Chicago White Sox. Beautiful hat. Then you got the World Series champions side patch with the bats. Beautiful hat. Pink UV. This is also a pack which is going to be dropped this week at Topperzstore. Let me know in the comments below what were your favorite hats of the week, and also let me know in the comments which teams would you like to see next, or which colorways, right? Because we are always listening to you guys, and we want to bring the stuff that you like most. If you have not subscribed to the channel, it would help the channel a lot. It's totally free. Just hit the subscribe button and join the Topperzstore family. And of course, if you like the video, also please hit the like button on the video. I'll be back on Sunday with my top 3 fitted hats of the week from Topperzstore and Topperzstore USA, and we will see us again live on Monday. Another episode of Cap Talk episode 187. And if you missed the last episode from Monday, you can always watch the replay on YouTube, okay? So thank you very much for tuning in, and I hope to see you guys next week again to another episode of Amazing A-Frames. I'm out. Bye.